Have you ever wondered how technology has revolutionized the world of work? Let's start with the rise of advanced artificial intelligence. These days, AI algorithms are increasingly stepping up to the plate, becoming indispensable tools for analyzing vast amounts of data, recognizing intricate patterns, and making informed decisions. This technological evolution has begun to automate routine and repetitive tasks that, until now, were the responsibility of humans. Think about those daily tasks you find monotonous, the ones that feel like they're on an endless loop. Well, advanced AI is now taking the reins, making these tasks more efficient and error-free. This isn't just a trend. It's a significant shift in the nature of work, with machines increasingly stepping into roles traditionally filled by people. But remember, as AI continues to evolve, it's not about replacing humans, but rather creating a world where humans and machines work harmoniously together. As AI continues to evolve, we are witnessing a significant shift in the nature of work, with machines taking over tasks traditionally done by people. Moving on to the next evolution, the emergence of more sophisticated robotics. We're witnessing an era where robots are no longer just machines performing repetitive tasks. They are learning, adapting, and evolving. Advanced robotics have now started to take the place of humans in various sectors. Let's consider the manufacturing industry. Robots here are not just assembling parts. They are learning to optimize their actions, reduce waste, and increase efficiency. In logistics, robots are not only moving goods around but also predicting and managing inventory, streamlining operations like never before. Now imagine a healthcare setting. Robots are assisting in surgeries, providing care, and even interacting with patients in a way that was previously unimaginable. They are learning from their experiences, adapting to their environment, and improving their performance over time. As robots become more advanced, they are changing the landscape of many industries, leading to a redefinition of jobs and roles. Next up is the widespread adoption of automation across sectors. Automation has been seeping into various industries, transforming the way we work. From product assembly lines humming with robotic precision to digital customer service agents addressing queries round the clock, automation is everywhere. This wave of change is undeniably enhancing efficiency and productivity, enabling businesses to perform tasks at a speed and accuracy that were unimaginable a few decades ago. But, as with any significant shift, there are ripple effects. As automation takes over routine and repetitive tasks, job roles are evolving. We're seeing a gradual shift away from manual and process-driven jobs towards roles that require human touch and cognitive skills. Jobs that call for critical thinking, problem-solving, and data analysis are on the rise, as are roles that demand creativity and emotional intelligence. As automation becomes more prevalent, we are witnessing a shift in the job market with an increased demand for roles that require human touch and cognitive skills. The demand for cognitive skills is on the rise. Now, let's dive into why this is happening. As technology advances, many routine tasks previously performed by humans are being automated. This shift is driving the demand for jobs that require high-level cognitive abilities. Critical thinking, problem-solving, and data analysis are becoming increasingly valued skills in the job market. Imagine a world where your ability to analyze complex datasets or solve intricate problems could be your most marketable asset. That's the world we're moving towards. In the face of automation, jobs that require the human touch and cognitive processing are becoming more and more desirable. These cognitive skills are not just about intelligence, but also about adaptability. As the world changes, our ability to understand and navigate these changes becomes crucial. So, in the era of technology, cognitive abilities are becoming more important than ever. Creativity is becoming a key skill in the digital age. As we navigate through this era of rapid technological advancement, the ability to generate unique ideas, design innovative solutions, and express ourselves artistically is gaining increasing significance. In this fiercely competitive market, companies are in a relentless race to outshine each other with their innovative products and services. They are constantly on the hunt for people with creative skills, those who can think outside the box, who can bring something new and exciting to the table. You see, it's not just about coming up with ideas, it's about translating those ideas into tangible results. Designing an innovative product, creating a compelling marketing campaign, or even devising a disruptive business model. All these require a good dose of creativity. So whether you're a graphic designer or a software developer, an artist or an engineer, creativity is your secret weapon. Creativity is no longer a luxury but a necessity in the tech-driven world. Interpersonal skills are becoming increasingly important. As technology continues to advance, the ability to work effectively with both machines and humans becomes paramount. It's no longer enough to simply understand how to operate a machine or how to complete a task. Developing strong interpersonal skills is crucial in today's digital age. The ability to communicate clearly and effectively is essential in creating a harmonious working environment. Whether it's explaining a complex concept to a colleague or articulating an idea to a machine, communication skills are key. Collaboration, too, plays a vital role. The most innovative solutions often come from diverse teams working together, combining their unique perspectives and skills. Lastly, building strong relationships is fundamental. It's about fostering trust, understanding, and empathy. These relationships can be with colleagues, customers, or even with the machines we work alongside. In essence, as we navigate through the digital age, our human skills become even more valuable. In a world where machines are increasingly present, the human touch remains irreplaceable. Finally, let's explore how technological advancements are creating new opportunities. In the whirlwind of change, we're seeing an emergence of new fields and job roles that were once the stuff of science fiction. Take, for instance, the fields of artificial intelligence development, robotics, and automation. These are no longer niche sectors. They're growing, thriving, and looking for bright minds to push the boundaries of what's possible. AI developers, robotics engineers, automation specialists. These are the job titles of today and tomorrow. But it's not just about the tech heads and the engineers. Opportunities are also blossoming for those who can bridge the gap between humans and technology. As our world becomes more intertwined with machines, we need people who can navigate this complex relationship. We need technologists with a human touch. Think about roles like user experience designers, who ensure that the technology we use is intuitive and user-friendly. Or consider technology ethicists, who grapple with the moral and ethical implications of AI and robotics. These roles are crucial in shaping a future where technology serves us, rather than the other way around. And don't forget the entrepreneurs. Those visionary individuals who are not just adapting to the digital age, but are actively shaping it. They're creating new businesses, new services, and new ways of doing things that leverage technology to meet human needs in innovative ways. In this era of rapid technological advancement, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But remember, every wave of change brings with it a surge of opportunity. It's about spotting those opportunities, embracing the new, and being willing to learn and adapt. In the midst of change, opportunities abound for those ready to seize them. So, let's embrace the future with open arms and open minds, because the future of work isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving in a world full of possibilities.